Hello, my name is Hilmar Lambert and we are here at Mills Reef Winery in Tauranga at the Bay of Plenty, and we are here with Nick, the general manager, and trying to taste some wines here and get some background about Mills Reef.
Welcome, and look forward to telling you a little bit about our wines and the Mills Reef story. So Hawke's Bay is on the southeast of the North Island, as I'm sure many people will know, and our region is around about 5,000 hectares, and it actually, one thing about Hawke's Bay is people say that it is multi-talented. It can actually make a wide range of grape varieties very successfully, and you could almost, in a very European context, you could say it has a little bit of Alsace, it has a little bit of Burgundy, a little bit of Bordeaux, and even a little bit of Rhone, and which for most people they find that hard to understand, but when you understand how Hawke's Bay lies geographically, it starts to make sense. So Hawke's Bay, we have a coastal influence, which gives a slightly cooler climate profile, and as we come further inland, it actually gets warmer, and we have a special area which is called the Gimlet Gravels, 800 hectares, and this is known for the Bordeaux varieties and Syrah. Whereas out on the coast, being slightly cooler, it's more for Chardonnay, Sauvignon Blanc, the classics there. And then further inland, whilst it gets very hot there, we also have very cool evenings and mornings. So there's a very high diurnal variation, and it suits beautifully, particularly for Pinot Gris, or you could even say for the Alsace, Riesling, Gewürztraminer, and Pinot Gris. So each area or each district within the greater region has its own talents. And
how is the soil in the Gimlet Gravels? This is also special, no? Or
very special, very special. So the soils are very, very stony, just very fine silt loam in the soils, but most of the gravels, growing in the gravels, is you need to have irrigation. The soil, there's not enough soil content, but it's this lack of soil which is also a great benefit to the gravels, in that it is very free draining. It allows the vines need to struggle a little bit to make very, very good grapes, and with that also the warmer climate, you make fantastic Bordeaux varietal reds and Syrah, so as well as a number of other varieties.
So the Gimlet Gravel is a very unique area, ideal to produce wine.
Absolutely. Unique, you could say, in many respects in the world, in that for those Bordeaux varieties in Syrah, it has a unique combination of its climate, its soil type, its exact location within the Hawke's Bay region is just absolutely perfect. One Australian wine commentator, very respected, James Halliday, he said about it, it's not just a special place, it's a sacred place. Such a regarded as for that area.